Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you while loop. In previous class we have discussed for loop and the program using the for loop. Today we will discuss the while loop and program using the while loop. While loop is also known as looping statement, where set of statements executed again and again. Block of codes executed again and again if the until a specified condition evaluated to true. If the condition is evaluated to false, then loops stop executing, and we say that looping bodies are terminated. The syntax for using the while loop is while condition then body of the loop. If the condition evaluated to true, then these body of the loops are executed. There are two cases in while loop. First one is first the given condition is checked. If given condition is returns false, then the loop is terminated and the controls jumps to the next statement in the program after the loop. If the condition returns true, then the set of statements inside the loops are executed and the controls jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iterations. For explaining this concept, I am going to explain you program. Suppose the starting value of num equals to 1 and the condition is while num is less than 10, means the looping body will execute it if this condition will be the true. Condition is if num is less than 10. If this condition is evaluated to true, then this set of statements are executed. The set of statement means print num and num equals to num plus 3. In while loop, first of all, we have to initialize the value of control variable. Here the control variable equals to num. Means control variable are that variable used to controls the loop. Loops, here the control variable equals to is num. Then the starting value of num equals to 1. Means 1 is less than 10. Means this condition is evaluated to true. Then it will print num. Value of num equals to 1. Means 1 will be displayed. Then this control variable, that is num is updated. Means num equals to num plus 3. Again controls comes to the starting condition. We see that 3 is also less than 10. Then value of num, that is 3 will be printed. Num equals to 1, num equals to num plus 3, sorry. Num equals to num plus 3 means num equals to 4. Then 4 is less than 10, print 4. Again 4 will be displayed. Next num equals to num plus 3 means 4 plus 3, that is 7. Again controls comes to the starting of the while, that is 7 is less than 10, means condition is true, then 7 will be printed. Then num equals to num plus 3. Then this time the value of num is 7 and 7 plus 3, that is 10. That is 10 is not less than 10. That is condition is evaluated to false and loops will be terminated. Then the output of this loop is 1, 4 and 7. So we see that the main elements of while loop is initializations, then condition check, and executions of looping body, and update expressions. Means the control variable either incremented, decremented. That means the value of control variable will be updated, so that the again we check the conditions. Means this statement will be repeated again and again if the condition is evaluated to true. This is a general syntax for while loop. As we have already discussed that there are three types of loop, that is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop and while loop, that is first the conditions will be checked, then looping body will be executed, and then the uh, controls variable will be updated, and again the conditions will be checked. This is known as while loop. Now we see that the infinity while loop means how. What is the infinity loop? Means suppose here we have put the conditions while true, then print hello. Means this hello will be printed if this value will be the true. Means there are no update expressions. Means control variable will not be updated. So this looping body will be executed infinity times. So this is known as the infinity loop. Means if the control variables will not be updated by any operations, then the condition is if condition evaluated under the while conditions will again remain true, and looping body will be executed on infinity time. Let's see the another example of infinity loop. Here num equals to 1. While num is less than 5, print num. Then condition is num is less than 5. Value of num equals to 1. That is 1 is less than 5. This condition is true, but here there are no update expressions. Means num value is not incremented or not decremented to control the loop. So print num, that is infinity time 1 is displayed. This is known as the infinity while loop. Nested while loop. Nested means the one while loop is embedded within the another while loop. When a while loop is present inside another while loop, then it is called the nested loop. Nested loop means one while loop is embedded within the another while loop, then this is known as a nested loop. Suppose I equals to 1 and j equals to 1. These two variable is initialized. Then first while loop is while I is less than 4. Means if this condition is true, then these set of statements are executed, including the another while loop. Next while loop is while j is less than 8. Then this while loop will be executed if this condition will be evaluated true. Means when this set of while loop is embedded within the this set of while loop, that is this is known as the nested while loop. If one set of while loop is embedded within the another set of while loop, then this is known as the nested loop. So this while loop is embedded within the inside the this while loop. So this is known as the nested loop. We also use the while loop with the else block. Means suppose let's see the example using the else block of while loop. Suppose num equals to 10 and num is greater than 6. Print num and num equals to num minus 1. These two statements come if these conditions are evaluated to true. This condition is evaluated to 2. Condition is that num is greater than 6. If this condition is true, then these two sets of statements are executed. Statement means print num and num equals to num minus 1. Starting value of num is 10. That is 10 is greater than 6. Yes, condition is true. Then print 10 and 10 equals to num equals to 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 is greater than 6. Yes, print num, that is 9, and num equals to num minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, 8. Again, 8 is greater than 6. Yes, this condition is true. Then print 8. Then num equals to num minus 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. 7 is greater than 6. Yes, print 7. Means the looping body, in looping body, 10, 9, 8, 7 will be executed. Next, the conditions of next num equals to 6. That is, this condition will be the false. If this condition will be evaluated to false, then the else part of while statement, that is loop is finished, will be displayed. So the output of the above statement is 10, 9, 8, 7. This will be the looping body, and this is the statement written under the else part of the while condition. Okay, student. In next class, we will discuss the break and continue statements. Okay, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.